The first element is work specialization, or the division of labor. Work tasks are divided according to specializations: human resources, finance, legal, operations, and so on. Some organizations are more specialized than others. Highly specialized organizations may enjoy a few benefits. It can increase efficiency because one employee completes one task. There's usually less duplication of work and costs, and less time is spent changing tasks, tools, equipment, and so on. A highly specialized structure can also help people improve their skills through repetition. It's usually easier and less costly to find and train employees to do a specific repetitive task. There are also disadvantages associated with high specialization. Repetitive work can lead to a variety of undesirable outcomes like boredom, fatigue, low productivity, low quality, high occupational stress, increased absenteeism, and high turnover. This structure is probably more suitable for certain types of industry. Fast food, manufacturing, and technology organizations can succeed with highly specialized structures.